Hello, my name is Ken Reed. We are now looking at wall display page number 6 under the title or topic of structural building materials. 6A is structural insulated panels or SIPS panels. We'll examine them. 6B is insulated concrete forms or ICF. Engineered wood is 6C. Stick built construction is 6D, which is very common in the United States. Metal framing and steel studs, an alternative to wood, especially if wood prices get very high or for other reasons. Framing techniques such as balloon versus platform. Balloon framing is mostly out of style, although it can be still used for certain instances, whereas platform construction is very common. Advanced framing techniques, ways to save lumber through an engineered type system. Panel products, we'll look into those. Alternative building materials that people don't commonly use but are still very much acceptable for residential and small commercial construction. Flashing and trim options. Caulks, sealants, and adhesive compounds that'll work well and still are not necessarily harmful to the environment or have the best results.